this sum, I will do it and then give you time to copy it after each and every step. Okay, now. That's a problem. Facts. Tell me the one by one the facts. Strike price. What strike price? 180. Where this is given? F1 segment 410. Now, what is spot price? 200. Where I can see share segment. What the interest rate? 10. Don't ask me where it is. It is given by what? The government of India, bond, etc. Risk-free interest rate. No. Don't search in the share market. Interest is there in what? Bond markets. Anybody done not? No. The interest always used here will be risk-free. Always used will be what? Risk-free. Why risk-free interest should be used here? A separate discussion. I'll discuss later. Every question will be answered what? Later. But options, options, futures and all, the interest rate is what? Risk-free. In a CAPM, nothing will work. It will not be what? Working. Always the word interest means what? Risk-free rate. Only will be using in all the option valuation. Following or not? Now premium is a risk coverage. Right or not? So I should be using what rate? Risk-free. More about the risk-free rate use, I'll discuss later. Can I proceed? Now, next. What is the term of the option? 1 year. Okay. Now, first step is to find out what? The minimum value of the call option. We can just copy the facts and then do the first step together. Remaining, I'll complete and give you time to copy. Write down facts. Right, question number 17. You can give the heading, minimum value of call. That question is for minimum value of call. Question number 17, give the heading, minimum value of call. Shall we start? Big boxes, yeah, matter small. Can I proceed now? Facts. Marving number? Now, first. Write down step 1. Theoretical minimum price of call. Theoretical minimum price of call. So when I use the word minimum price of call, I mean what? Premium. Okay. Theoretical minimum price of call. Minimum premium is the meaning. Okay. Theoretical minimum price of call. Formula. Minimum price is equal to, please tell the formula, spot price minus present value of strike price. Minimum price is equal to spot price minus present value of strike price. Spot price minus present value of strike price. Okay. Now, this time we'll be doing it together. Next time I will not allow you to do it the strike price calculation present value. Okay, write down. Next. Present value of strike price is equal to, continue writing, present value of strike price. PV of X means what? Present value of strike price is equal to, what is the strike price? Tell me. 180 into e power minus, what is T? How many years option? 1 year into what is area? 0.10. 180 into e power minus 1 into 0.10. E power minus TR. In the part, no. Which is equal to 180 into e power minus 0.10. 180 into e power minus 0.10. E power minus 0.10. Can I proceed or not? No. Right? Working note. Working note. Table is there. Let us do it. Working note. E power 0.10 is what? 1 plus 0.10 power 1 by 1 plus what? 0.10 squared by 2 plus 0.10 cube divided by 6. 1 plus 0.10 by 1 plus 0.10 squared by 2 plus 0.10 cube by 6 is equal to 1.10 1.1052. Please. E power minus 0.10 is equal to 1 by 1.1052. Tell me the number here. 0.9048. 0.9048 Please tell me the number 180 into what? 0.9048. Doing along with me or not? What is the number here? Which is equal to how much? Correct up. Decimal or sulba? 162.8687. I'll see what is here. 162. I have 90 here in my slide. I have it as 162.90. Okay. And a decimal rounding out should not question. Okay, 162.90. I am the third umpire. Can you present or not? 162.90. Please. Shh. Please. Shh. Have you all finished copying this or not? Doing along with me or not? No. I did not do anything great here. I find out the present value of 180 today. That's all. But what we use is what? Continuous discounting. That's the only change. Am I right or not? No. Continue further. Write down. Minimum value is equal to, or minimum price is equal to 200 minus. Tell me the formula. 200 minus what? 162.9. That is the spot price minus present value of strike price. 200 minus 162.9. What is the minimum price of the call? 37.1. Minimum price of the call is 37.1. Nothing. What is the formula for minimum value of the call? Spot price minus present value of strike price. What is spot price? 200. What is strike price? 180. After 1 year, discounted to today is how much? 162.9. 200 minus 162.9 gives you what? Minimum value of the call, 37.1. This is over. Everybody up to this. Are you following or not? No. Let's continue with the discussion. Now I will do it and then give you time to copy. Later I'll dictate the solution. Okay? Now, we all know that the call should be trading minimum at the price how much it is? 37.5. The minimum premium should be how much? 37.5. It should not be below that. Yes or no? For this call, the minimum premium should be how much? 37.1. But look at the question. The call is trading in the market at how much rupees? 30 rupees. This call is available for 30, but the call is worth what? 37.1. Tell me the market, the option market is underpricing the call option or overpricing? Underpricing. Something is underpricing. How to make an arbitrage? Buy the call. I have to go for what? Buy the call. Response is or no? No. See. Always arbitrage strategy means riskless profit. Is a covered interest arbitrage. No, in arbitrage strategy, cash flows may happen in future, but everything should be secured today itself. I should not have any uncertainty. Yes or no? Now, let us see how we have to devise a strategy and then proceed. Now, tell me, I am going to go for a buy call option, sell call option, buy call option. I am going to be a holder of a call. Yes or no? And a call is available for 30, it is minimum worth what? 37.1. So it is underpriced, cheaply available. I go for what? Call buying. I am going for what? Holding the call option. Point number 1. Accept or not? No. Tell me. First, as a holder of the call, tomorrow, after 1 year, we are going to sell the share, buy the share. And a question, now, see. You are a holder of a call or not? Due to call holding after 1 year. Due to call holding what? After 1 year. Answer me. We are going to buy the share or sell the car. Why buy the share? I have a right to buy. I have what? Right to buy. As a call holder, my strategy will be to what? Buy the share after 1 year. Yes or no? Tomorrow, if I am going to buy, today I will be selling. Very simple. In covered interest arbitrage, tomorrow I am going to borrow. Now today will be what? Depositing. The same strategy only. What I do tomorrow, opposite to what today, the strategy will give you restless profit. How it is will be seeing later. Can I say? So now tell me, call is what? 37.1. Trading at what? 30. First decide whether to buy the call or sell the call. Buy or sell the call? Buy the call. I am going to be the holder of the call option, which gives me a right to what? Buy the share after 1 year. So no, after 1 year I am going to buy the share. So today what I will do? Sell the share. Can I sell the share without buying it? Short sell. Call option, if there is no short sell, option is worthless. Call option value gets derived only by what? Short selling. Very, very prerequisite for what? Gaining an option value. Yes or no? Countries which is allowing short selling only can go for what? Call option. If the short selling concept is missing, it will not be so much useful to have what? A call option generally. Everybody following what I am saying? So now tell me, what is my strategy? Tell me strategy here. I should do two things. Today, what I am going to do? Short sell a share. Today what? I go to share market and do what? Sell order. I go to option, give what? Buy order. Yes or no? I take the mouse, put a what click? Sell click in what? Share market. Put what? Buy click in what? Option market. So now tell me the strategy today. What is strategy today? Sell, share, and then what? Buy, call option. I don't use the word sell. I use the word what? Short sell, because I am not having the share. Innapa, right or not? Can I proceed further or not? Now, let me start with the discussion. So today I am going to short sell the stock and then what? Buy the call. Today I am going to pay money, receive money, both. I am going to receive money as well as what? Pay money. Share market, I am selling the share for what price? For what price here? 200. I sell the share for what price here? 200. The spot price. I go to call option. That is, I go to option market. I buy a call option paying how much premium? 30 rupees premium. Yes or no? So I pay 30 rupees premium in the option market. I get what? 200 rupees in what? Share market. Totally today in my hand, the money available is what? 200 minus 30 is 170. Point number 1. Accepted. Yes or no? So due to my transaction today of selling share and buying a call, I received say 200. I paid what? 30 premium. The money in my hand is what? 170. Respond, yes or no? Can I put this 170 in pocket? What I will do? I will invest. I will invest for how many years? Please. Can I proceed, Amma? Okay, now. Shh, wait. Listen seriously. Don't be in a jovial mode. Yeah, please. Flow will be affected. Listen. Today I have 170 in my hand. And what I will do? I invest. At what percent? 10%. For how many years here? 1 year. Till the option maturity, I am going to invest. And you can earn some interest or not? No. So what I do is deposit 170 at 10% for 1 year. After 1 year, it will mature. Now. It will mature 170, more than 170, more than 170. I should do compounding. No, what compounding I will do? I'll do a continuous compounding. Always you do continuous compounding or discounting. Okay. Now realize. I'm going to realize the deposit or not? Now 170 into e power 0.10. Just now we found out 1.1052. Ennappa, right or not? Now please tell me what is 170 into 1.1052. Calculator podupa. What is the number? 187.88. So 170 compounds at 10% for 1 year to become what? 187.88. Tell me in my hand how much money is that? 187.88. Now, see, I have sold some other person's share. Now, short selling. Now, he has given me 1 year time. Right or not? After 1 year, what I should do? Buy the share and return back. Yes or no? The short sell period is over. You know what I'm saying? So you're asking him, please give me the share. The broker says, please give me. The other party is one asking for a share. I should buy the share or not? Okay, now. How can I buy the share? Two things here. Suppose, listen. Suppose the future spot price after 1 year can be anything. It can be what? Anything. I give you two situations. Future spot price after 1 year. The share is trading in the market at 270 rupees. How much rupees here? 270 rupees. After 1 year, the FSP is what? 270 rupees. Will I pay 270 to buy the share? No. I have what? Call option. I exercise a call and buy at what? 180. Strike price 180. Yes or no? Okay. Suppose the share is trading at 150 rupees. How much rupees here? 150 rupees. What I will do? Allow the call to last. Buy the market at what? 150. Anyhow, one thing is sure, I will not pay more than 180 to buy the share. Yes or no? In that case, how much money am I having in my hand? 187. And I buy the share and close out the short position by paying how much rupees here? 180. And what is the profit I make here? 7.88. Sure profit. Yes or no? It's going to be what profit? Riskless profit is an arbitrage profit. Everybody understanding it or not? So now what happens is, when FSP is more than what? 180, exercise the call and purchase the share at 180. If the purchase price of the share, if it is less than 180, then what? If it is less, purchase the shares at FSP. In any case, the maximum purchase price to be paid is how much here? 180. Now tell me, what is my arbitrage profit? 7.88. 7.88 is maximum profit, minimum profit. I can even earn more than what? 7.88. If the call is lapsed, if the call is what? Lapsed. At 150 share is trading means what happens here? I make a profit of 37.8 and so on. Yes or no? Now, don't think always call holder prays for exercise. Here may allow you to what? Please let the share price drop very much. Even pray for what? Lapsing also, because it will be making much more higher profit. Respond. Are you following what I am saying? So now in this case, this is a certain profit or not? Because this profit can be earned tomorrow. The profit can be earned what? Tomorrow. But everything for earning that has been laid today itself. See, yes or no? Now tell me, this 200 rupees is certain or uncertain? Certain. 130 is certain or uncertain? Certain. And this 187 is what? Certain. The 180 is also what? Certain. Everything is what? Certain. The profit also is what? Certain. Irrespective of the future spot price movement of the share price, I am not worried about the share price. I am minimum guaranteed how much? 7.88 rupees profit. Innapa real fun what I am saying? This is what? The arbitrage opportunity when the call price is minimum. Now, when copy up to this, before I have some more extra discussion regarding what is now being done. Can I proceed? Now strategy. Now, will all these strategies you need not think, I'll make you by heart at the end of 4 problems. Can I proceed? Now, write down first. Step 1 over. Write down step 2. Step 2, identification of. I'll dictate right along with me. Step 2, identification of arbitrage opportunity. Step 2, identification of arbitrage opportunity. Identification of arbitrage opportunity. Can I start or not? Write down. The call is minimum worth. The call is minimum worth. How much rupees? 37.1. The call is minimum worth. 37.1. But it is trading in the market at a premium of for clarity bracket rate price of in a premium price are what? Same. Is trading in the market at a premium of, in bracket right, a price of, bracket close, how much rupees? 30. Is trading in the market at a premium of rupees 30. The call is underpriced. The call is underpriced. The call is underpriced. Answer me, something is underpriced, we'll sell it or buy it or buy it. Hence, we should what? Buy the call. Hence, we should buy the call. Bracket la, buying the call means what? Hold the call. Now, buyer of a call option is called as holder na. Hence, we should buy the call. Bracket right, hold the call. Hold the call. Next. The arbitrage strategy is tell me the strategy here. Buy a call. The arbitrage strategy is buy a call and what? Short sell the share. The arbitrage strategy is buy a call and short sell the share. Arbitrage strategy is buy a call and short sell the share. Now, just a minute. I want to have one explanation here before I proceed further. May I wonder, sir, call is underpriced, you buy it. Why should you sell the share today? Why can't I sell the share after 1 year? Question arises now. Issue now. You say, I buy the call, okay, it is underpriced, not an issue. Why should I sell the call share today? Why can't I sell the share what? After 1 year. If I sell the share after 1 year, I cannot make arbitrage because after 1 year the share price may be 200, maybe 100 also, no guaranteed profit. Correct now. Call gives me a guaranteed cash flow. Share will not give me. So what do I have to do with regarding the share? I should not do it tomorrow. I should do it today itself because today's share price only is certain. Tomorrow share price is uncertain. Yes or no? So whatever you want to do in share market, never leave it to tomorrow. Always do it what? Today. Then only you'll be having what? A guaranteed profit. Now, no problem. When I buy a call, that share can be say sold after what? 1 year. After only exercise the call and what? Sell the share. No problem. But that will not result in sure profit because suppose the exercise the call at 180 rupees. On that day the share is trading at what? 150. What happens here? I'll be having what? A loss of 30. Or allow the call to lapse, even zero profit. Everybody yes or no? I will not be having a guaranteed profit unless I sell the share today. In the real fun what I'm saying. So the strategy is what? Sell the share today and what? Buy the call today and then exercise on the maturity date. Everybody understanding it or not? No. First of all, here only I start fearing. Those who are understanding it, raise your hand. You have a discussion. Right or not? Those who are not understood, raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Now, from where should I explain? Strategy, yeah? 37.1 understood? Underprice understood? Okay, I should explain only the strategy, right? No, very simple. See, don't hesitate. We can move very slowly now, but once we cross, it becomes what? Very simple later. These things are going to be frequently repeated. Okay, see. Now, call is underpriced. 30 rupees call option available. Worth how much? 37.1. One thing is sure, call is cheap. Something is cheap, what I should do? Buy. I hold the call. In the strategy, I should hold the call. Okay. Just by holding the call alone, there is no guaranteed profit. Now, profit can be made only from two markets. Only from what? Two markets. Share market and what? Call market. Just by holding the call, don't think that my profit is what? Guaranteed. I should also follow it with what? Selling the share. Yes or no? No. Rumba simple. Suppose you hold a call with 180 rupees. How much rupees here? 180 rupees strike price. You did not sell the share today. You did not what? Sell the share today. No. Suppose after 1 year, you exercise the call at what? 180. Exercise call how much rupees here? 180. And the share is trading at 183. What is share trading? How much rupees here? 183. You make how much profit? But you have paid up 30 rupees premium. Yeah, correct. Everybody, yes or no? No. The share is trading at 100. What happens here? Another call to what? Lapse. Your pay becomes what? Negative. Because I paid 30 rupees premium. Respond yes or no? No. I cannot depend on the share market tomorrow because tomorrow share market is like a monkey, always changing. It will jump up and down. Are you understand what I am saying? So anything which I want to do in the share market, do it what? Today. Yes or no? Only when I do it today, the number will be what? Certain. If I do it tomorrow, the number becomes what? Uncertain. Yes or no? That is why I don't sell the share tomorrow. I sell the share what? Today, when the spot price is higher. Understand what I am saying? So what I do is, I sell the share today. You may want the share. I am going to buy the share only after 1 year. How can I sell my share what? Today. The question may be asked or not. Don't worry. It is not a land building where we have to buy and sell. It is what? A share. We can sell and buy. Everybody follow what I am saying? In that case, I go for what? Short selling today. Can I proceed further? No. So I short sell today and I buy what? Later. Why I sell today? Tomorrow if I sell, I don't know the share price. So no, arbitrage profit, everything should be determined today. Money can be received tomorrow, but all the things that should be done for receiving money should be done what? Today. Then only the 7.88 becomes what? A sure short profit. Right or not? You understand the strategy or not? So now tell me, and how to devise strategy? Very simple. I am going to hold a call, write a call, hold a call. You are holder of a call? No. So what you will do regarding share tomorrow? Buy. When I'm going to buy the share tomorrow, what should I do today? Sell the share. Tomorrow, buying the share, don't say uncertain because tomorrow the certainty is given by what? Call option. So due to uncertainty in selling, I want to go for today's selling itself. Respond yes or no. So sell the share today and buy the share what? Tomorrow. Short sell the share, buy the share tomorrow is the option strategy. Respond yes or no. Like a full clarity. Now, step number 2 over. Can I proceed or not? Now, step 3. Arbitrage profit. Give the heading, arbitrage profit. Arbitrage profit. Underline that, one by one. Short sell stock and buy a call. Short sell stock and buy a call. Short sell stock and buy a call. I want an answer. You short sell the stock in which market? Share market. You buy the call in which market? Both you do when? Today itself. You do what? Today itself. When I sell in share market, how much I get? 200. How much I pay premium in option market? 30. Money in my hand? 170. 200 minus 30, 170. Okay. If you want to have a clarity, 200 put a down amount and write share price received. 200 put a down amount and write share price received for your clarity. 30 put a down amount and write what? Call premium paid. 30 put a down amount and write call premium paid. Share price received and call premium paid. 170 is a net cash flow that can be understood. Can you understand or not? Next. Deposit. 170 at 10% for 1 year. Deposit 170 at 10% for 1 year. 170 at 10% for 1 year. 170 at 10% for 1 year. Can you proceed? Now, what happens after 1 year? Realize. The deposit should be realized. I'll get 170, more than 170, more than 170, along with interest, simple interest, compounded, compounded. Normal compounding, continuous compounding, continuous compounding. 170 into e power 0.10. I cannot explain once again the e compounding technique. That should be now understood well and good. Yes or no? So 170 into e power 0.10. That becomes how much maturity value? 187.80. 187.80. Can take the money and run home? Because there is a person who is what? Gave me the share on loan. Correct? Now I have to what? Buy the share and return back or not? Next. Buy a share and close out short position. Buy a share and close out short position. Buy a share and close out the short position. Buy the share and close out short position. Buy the share and close out short position. Instead of the slide, we'll write it much more elaborately now. Okay. In center right, situation. In the same step, center right what? Situation. Situation. Okay. Branch it into two. After 1 year, two things can happen here. One is what? FSP is more than what? 180. The share is actually trading in the stock market at a price more than 180. FSP is more than 180. The second is what? FSP less than 180. FSP more than 180, FSP less than 180. Anyhow, we have decided to buy the share. You cannot escape. The other party is asking you, yes or no? No. FSP is more than 180. Share market price is suppose 200 or 300 rupees. What I will do? Will I buy a share market? No. What I will do? Exercise the option contract and ask for delivery. Yes or no? In that case, what I will do? Buy share. Buy the share. And how much rupees? 180. Buy. Buy. Okay. Buy the share at 180. Buy. By what? Exercising option. Buy the share at 180 by exercising the option. Share available at 150 or 140. Will you go for option? No. I say buy to what? The option writer. I'll buy the share from what? Outside market. I'll buy how much base here? FSP. Write down. Allow the option. Allow the option to what? Lapse. Allow the option to lapse and buy in what? Share market at FSP. Allow the option to lapse and buy in share market at what? FSP. And buy in share market FSP. From this chart, what can be concluded? The maximum price I pay is what? 180. Write down. Common, say, paragraph, right? Thus, the maximum purchase price. Thus, the maximum purchase price for the share is, thus the maximum purchase price for the share is how much rupees? 180. The maximum purchase price for the share is 180. The maximum purchase price for the share is 180. Fourth step over. Gadabam. Now, I paid how much rupees? 180. In my hand, how much is balance? 180 is 1.88. Deposit money, I got it or not? In that 180 has been what? Gone. What is the balance here? 7.8. That we call as what profit? Arbitrage profit. Now write down arbitrage profit. Arbitrage profit. 187.88 is the money in my hand. I paid how much? 180 to buy and close the position. What is arbitrage profit? 7.88. Arbitrage profit is equal to 7.88. Arbitrage profit is equal to 7.88. I want an answer. Tell me, is this profit maximum profit or minimum profit or minimum profit? Write down. This profit is, continue, this profit is minimum profit. This profit is minimum profit. It can be even higher. It can be even higher. It can be even higher if the FSP reduces. It can even be higher if the FSP reduces. If the future spot price reduces. If the FSP reduces. Everybody able to understand this particular strategy or not? No. Let's have a check now. Write down check. Okay. Tell me, this 7.88 profit is the money I will earn today, after 1 year. After 1 year. But it is decided today. That the profit is known today, but I can earn only after what? 1 year. Let us calculate the present value of the profit. Yes or no? Write down check. Present value of profit is equal to, please. Present value of profit is equal to 7.88 into e power minus 0.10. Innappa, right or not? So 7.88 into e power minus 0.10. Tell me it is 7.88 into point. How much is point? 9048. 7.88 into 0.9048. Tell me the number here. 7.13. Everybody has what? 7.13. 7.13. Everybody understood or not? No. So the present value of profit is what? 7.13. Very simple. Or 7.1 we can round off. It's going to be what? 7.13. You want to round off to what? 2 decimals and round off to what? 7.10. Is the present value of the profit? Yes or no? Very simple. Yeah. Now, today the call is worth how much? 37.1. Trading at what? 30 rupees. It is underpriced by what? 7.1. That is what we can say arbitrage profit. Everybody yes or no? A call worth 37.1 is available for how much rupees? Yeah, 30 rupees. I am getting a benefit of 7.1. How I can earn that benefit? Through this strategy, the benefit could be earned. Are you following what I am saying? So the present value of the future profit only is going to be what? The difference between the actual call value and the theoretical call value. Everybody, are you following what I am saying? It becomes how much rupees? Yeah, 7.1. The decimal rounding of leave it. Everybody, are you having the clarity or not? No. So with this, we complete this particular sum on what? Minimum value of the call and then what? Arbitrage. At the end of the sum, we have to by heart only 2 things. What is minimum value of the call formula? Spot price minus present value of strike price. Below this is the actual value. Is that what exists? Arbitrage. Tell me the arbitrage strategy. By heart it. Short sell the share, buy the call. If it is below minimum, what is the strategy? Short sell the share and buy the call. Okay, it will never change. It will not never change. These are all predefined strategies. Everybody following what I am saying? So with this, the first discussion has been completed. Any apprunjudha? No. The logic is also very simple. What is the formula here? Spot price minus present value of strike price. Strategy gives you the logic of the formula. I sell the share today at what price? Spot price. So spot price is buying price or selling price or selling price or at spot price. So no. Now I buy the share tomorrow at what price? Strike price. At what price? Strike price. Can today sell at spot price, tomorrow buy at what? Strike price. So spot price minus strike price is what? The value. Yes or no? But can you knock it off or not? No. Strike price is what? Tomorrow. Spot price minus what? Present value of strike price gives you the value of the call today. Respond yes or no? Correct? No. So the call value is spot price minus present value of strike price. Now the strategy is sell today and then what? Buy tomorrow. Other minimum strategy na sell today at what price? Spot price. Buy tomorrow at what? Present value of strike price. Buy tomorrow at what price? Strike price. So the profit I make is spot price minus strike price. It is wrong to compare because strike price is what? Future. Bring it to today by discounting. I guess spot price minus present value of strike price is the answer. Follow what I am saying. So with this we complete the minimum value of the call formula. Can I proceed or not? Now. Right now. Next. Maximum value of call. Give the heading. Maximum value of call. It is difficult to foresee such a value, never happens, but still we have a problem. I'll dictate as an example problem and do it once only for the confirmation. Okay, maximum value of a call. Calculate panna number. What is the maximum value of a call? Tell me the answer. That's what the maximum value of a call is? Spot price. Okay, it's the easiest way to do, no calculator. Okay, now. Okay, now. Example. So a call value maximum should be how much should be a spot price. Please. Shh. Take this example. No rocket science, very crude, simple logic. Can I say now? Spot price of a share 10 rupees here. A share is available today in the share market. How much rupees here? 10 rupees. Strike price, same share. There's an option market strike price. How much rupees here? 13 rupees. And the value of the call is 11 rupees. Tell me what is 11 rupees? Premium. What is strike price? 13. What is spot price? 10. Now, I go to what market first? Share market. Look at the estimated share. The estimated share is today selling at how much rupees? 10 rupees. Immediately I go to what market? Option market. I see a call option on what? Estimated share having a strike price of 13, having a premium how much rupees here? 11 rupees. Now the call is trading at how much rupees here? 11 rupees. I say the maximum price I'll pay is only how much? 10. But the premium is how much rupees here? 11 rupees. There exists an arbitrage opportunity. Yes or no? Okay. In the logic, romba simple. See, share available at 10 rupees na. Which fool will buy, right to buy the share at 11 rupees? Instead of buying the right at 11 rupees and buy the asset itself. Yes or no? Yes, correct. Even if there's a strike price 0 now, 11 rupees is what? Costly. Because when the share is available at 10 rupees, nobody will get the right to buy the share at what? 11 rupees. Because share is cheaper than the right to buy. In a case, instead of buying a right to buy what? Share itself. Are you following what I am saying? Logic. Now, here strike price doesn't matter because even if they say I'll give you free after what? 3 months, and then premium may recover the full price. Then where is free available, right or not? In that case, we should say that the call is what? Overpriced. Never the call option value should be more than what? Spot price. Like this, it will never happen in market. No fool will trade at what? 11 rupees a call option. But still, if it happens, what's the arbitrage we're going to discuss? Can I or not? Now, tell me, what is the maximum value of the call? Tell me. 10 rupees. What is the maximum value of the call here? 10 rupees. The maximum premium I can pay for the call is how much rupees? 10 rupees. But the call is trading at how much rupees? 11 rupees. Call overpriced or underpriced? Overpriced. Buy or sell? Sell what? Yeah, sell what? Call. Sell the call option. Selling call option means what? Writing the call option. You become a writer of the call. As a writer of the call, tomorrow, what you will do with the share? Sell the share. Because as a writer of a call, I'm having an obligation to sell. Yes or no? Now, again I say, beginning reverse. Okay, now, I rewind that. Tell me, what is the maximum value of the call? Spot price. What is spot price here? 10 rupees. Yeah, no fool will pay more than what? 10 rupees for this option. Yes or no? But somebody is trading at how much rupees? 11 rupees. The call option in the market is 11 rupees. There's maximum worth only how much rupees? 10 rupees. The option is overpriced, underpriced, overpriced. I'll sell the option, buy the option. I go to the option market, click what order? Sell order. Seller of an option, give the technical word. What is called? Writer. He is going to be the writer of the option. As a writer of the option, tomorrow, what I should do? Buy the share or sell the share? Why should I sell the share tomorrow? As a writer of a call option, I am having an obligation to what? Sell at strike price or no? So tomorrow when I am going to sell the share, what I will do today? Buy the share. Don't say, why can't I buy the share tomorrow? The price is uncertain. So no, always share market, what you should do should be done what? Today itself. Now, in that case, buy the share today and what? Sell the share tomorrow. If the other party what? Exercises it. Now, look at this. Let us see what is happening. Okay, now. Number one, today 2 things happens. Tell me what happens today. Number 1 is what? Write a call and what? Buy the share. I write a call, pay premium, receive premium, receive. How much premium receive? 11 rupees. And I also want to buy the share. How much rupees? 10 rupees spot price. What the money in hand? 1 rupee. What I have in my hand? I don't have only 1 rupee, I have 1 rupee, 1 share. I'm having 1 rupee as well as what? 1 share in my hand. Respond yes or no. So today I write a call for 11 rupees premium received. I buy the share by paying what? 10 rupees share price. Today in my hand I have a cash of 1 rupee. I also have what? 1 share. Share in demat account, cash in what? Bank account. Yes or no? Now, next. What I do with this 1 rupee? Tell me. Okay. 1 rupee what? Deposit. Okay. Interest and all not given. Suppose I deposit at 0% interest. Okay. Chidambaram said no interest for this strategy. 0% interest. I need not compound. How much interest? 0% interest. Okay. Even if I put in my what? Current account, no interest. After 1 year, I'll be what? Realizing how much rupee is here? 1 rupee. I'm having 1 rupee in the hand in after 1 year. Yes or no? Now, next. After 1 year, 2 things may happen. Other party may exercise call or lapse. Okay. Suppose other party exercise the call. Other party what? Exercise the call. What he will do? What he will do, yeah, he will buy the share from me at how much rupees? How much rupees, yeah? Strike price is 13 rupees. He buy the share at how much rupees? 13 rupees. I sell the share at how much rupees, yeah? 13 rupees. I get 13 rupees from him. Already what? 1 rupee. Profit is 14. Got it? He will allow the share option to what? Lapse. Suppose the company is closed. The company is what? Closed. Share is what in what? Closed. The company is closed. The option is what? Lapse. Share is what? 0 na? Still have 1 rupee profit. Yes or no? And if the share is trading at 4 rupees, how much rupee is there? 4 rupees. You allow the option to lapse or not? Yes. How much I get? I can sell in the open market the share for how much rupee is there? 4 rupees. Already having what? 1 rupee. My profit is 5 rupees. Yes or no? That means my profit is 1 rupee plus strike price or 1 rupee plus what? FSP. Anything is sure. Yes or no? Share price can never be what? Negative. It can maximum be what? 0 only. Limited companies. Everybody following what I am saying? In that case, I am going to make an absolutely sure profit, bumper profit. Right or not? Because I get the full strike price or what? FSP as a inflow. Also I have what? 1 rupee today in my hand. So I'll be making a profit of 1 rupee plus FSP or 1 rupee plus what? Strike price. Whichever is lower, I'll be making that particular profit. Yes or no? No. This is the strategy for a maximum value of a call option. Now, look at this. I'll do it once again. Now, strategy to make a riskless profit. Then what is the strategy here? Buy a share at how much rupees? 10 rupees. Write a call at 11 rupees. I have the clarity here. Now, today what I have? Today what I have? 1 rupee. I put in which account? Bank account. And also what? 1 share. We have in my demat account. Yes or no? Now, I go to sleep as usual. Okay. After what? 1 year. What happens here? In spot he books a profit of 1, also holds what? Share. Whatever be the FSP after 1 year, rupee 1 profit guaranteed. FSP is 0. Yeah. FSP come on 0. Company close and run away. Kingfisher Mari, yes or no? It is not yet closed. Okay. So company is almost what? Closed. Yeah. Okay. In that case, share price is very bad. FSP has become what? 0. No problem. 1 rupee profit is what? Guarantee. In addition, what happens here? He gets either what? Entire FSP or what? Strike price. If the other party exercises the call, he will give me what? 13. If you allow the call to last, I can sell at what? FSP. I can either get FSP or 13 sure profit. So this is an additional gain for me. Respond yes or no. So this is a strategy that gives me a arbitrage profit above what? The maximum value of the call. But in market, this is very rarity. It will never happen because nobody will trade a call at a premium higher than what? The share price, because a right to buy a share cannot have more price than the share price itself, because then people will not go for right to buy, will rather what? Buy. When I buy, I have an asset. Right, I got only what? Option to buy the asset. Which is better than having asset or having an option? Asset itself, because I am getting the asset is just straight away for a cheaper price. Everybody following or not? This is what we call as the maximum value of the call and its arbitrage strategy. Can I proceed or not? Right now, next. So what is the heading given? Maximum value of the call. Write down. Example. Spot price 10. Don't ask me interest rate and all. Okay, too much to ask. Already is making bumper profit. Yes or no? So any interest you can just have it. Any of the 1 rupee is guaranteed. Okay. Spot price 10. Strike price 13. Value of a call 11. Value of the call 11. Write down. Step 1. Maximum value of call. Underline that. Step 1, maximum value of call. Underline that. Right? Maximum VC is equal to, the word VC means what? Value of call. Maximum VC is equal to what? Spot price. We now do it more formally. Okay, maximum VC is equal to spot price, which is equal to 10 rupees. Which is equal to 10 rupees. We have found a maximum value or not? Step 2. What is step 2? Guess, sir. Identification of arbitrage. Step 2. Identification of arbitrage. Step 2. Identification of arbitrage. Identification of arbitrage. Underline that. The call is maximum worth rupees 10. The call is maximum worth rupees 10. But is trading in the market at a value of bracket la, what the other name for value of what? Premium of, but is trading in the market at a value of, in bracket right, a premium of, bracket close. How much is trading in the market at a value of how much rupees? 11 rupees. But is trading in the market at a value of 11 rupees. Hence, the call is what? Overpriced. Hence, the call is overpriced. When something is overpriced, what I have to do here? Sell it. Therefore, we should sell the call option. Now overpriced na, so sell it. Therefore, we should sell the call option. In bracket, selling means what? Right call. Therefore, we should sell the call option. Okay. Now, next paragraph. Since we are writing a call, we will sell the share tomorrow. Since we are writing a call, we will sell the share tomorrow. Tomorrow means future, the meaning. We will sell the share tomorrow. And as a writer of a call, I have an obligation to sell or not. We will sell the share tomorrow. Hence what? Buy the share today. Hence, buy the share today. Everybody, are you understanding it or not? Now, next. Step 2 or step 3? Step 3. Arbitrage profit. Step 3. Arbitrage profit. Write down in that point number 1. Buy a share and write a call. Point 1. Buy a share and write a call. These two are doing today. Yes or no? Buy a share and write a call. Now, buy a share and write a call. Okay. Which is equal to, I buy the share by paying how much rupees? Spot 10. And write a call how much rupees? 11 rupees. Write down. 11 rupees minus 10 rupees. Right? 11 rupees minus 10 rupees is equal to what? 1. 11 rupees minus 10 rupees is equal to 1. 11 rupees, you put a down here and write. What is 11 rupees here? Premium received. I am writer now. I am receiving premium received. What is 10 rupees? Share price paid. I am purchasing the call now. 10 rupees is share price paid. Next, can I proceed? Point number 2. Deposit. How much rupees? Rupee 1. Deposit rupee 1. For 1 year. Suppose the call is 1 year call. Okay. Deposit rupee 1 for 1 year at some interest rate. You have not been given, not even worried about that. Okay. Deposit rupee 1 for 1 year at some interest rate. Deposit rupee 1 for 1 year at some interest rate. Everybody understanding it or not? Next. Point number 2 or 3? 3. On maturity date. Point number 3. On maturity date. On maturity date. Now, branch it into 2. What are the 2 things that can happen on maturity date? FSP greater than, what is the strike price? 13. Second is what? FSP less than 13. On maturity date, FSP greater than 13, FSP less than 13. Everybody having the clarity or not? No. If FSP is more than 13 rupees, I will decide, other party decides, always holder only decides, right or what? Obeys. My holder will exercise or lapse, exercise. He has a right to buy a 13, yes, I worth what? More than that. Exercise or not? Write down. Holder will exercise. Holder will exercise and hence sell the share to him. Holder will exercise and hence sell the share to him and hence sell the share to him at how much rupees? 13. Hence sell the share to him at 13. Everybody is or no? No. FSP less than 13, what happens here? Holder will allow the call to lapse. Holder will allow the call to lapse. And hence sell in what? Market. And hence sell in market at what price? FSP. And hence sell in the market at FSP. Hence sell in the market at FSP. Respond is or no? No. I don't. Profit. What the profit here? Rupee 1. Other interesting if you want to add it. Okay. Rupee 1 plus what? 13. Rupee 1 plus 13. You know, yes or no? No. What is the profit here? Profit is equal to what? Rupee 1 plus what? FSP. Rupee 1 plus FSP. Rupee 1 plus FSP. Respond yes or no? Right now. Next. Even if the share becomes worthless, then FSP is 0 and share worthless, na? Even if the share becomes worthless, even if the share becomes worthless, even if the share becomes worthless, Rupee 1 profit guaranteed. Even if the share becomes worthless, Rupee 1 profit guaranteed. Even if the share becomes worthless, Rupee 1 profit guaranteed. Even if the share becomes worthless, Rupee 1 profit guaranteed. Everybody, are you understanding the maximum value or not? Now, 4 issues we are going to discuss here. Maximum value of a call, minimum value of a call, maximum value of a port, minimum value of the port. Out of the 4, how much is completed? 2 were completed. Yes or no? No. Tell me. First, just by hearted, nothing rate. Tell me the formula for minimum call value. Minimum value of the call is what? Spot price minus present value of strike price. What the formula for maximum call value? Spot price. If it is below minimum, what exists? Arbitrage. Can you tell me the strategy for arbitrage here? Below minimum. Buy hard. What is the strategy? Short sell the share, buy the call. If it is above maximum, what is the strategy? Buy the share and write a call. Write an order now. If you know the strategy, automatically profit can be earned. Everybody following what I am saying? Now. Next, take question number 18. Take question number 18. Lot of time is left. Don't worry. Take question number 18, please. Now, calculate them. Sorry. Given the following data, please. Shh. Strike price 400, current stock price 370, time until expiration, that is maturity date 6 months, discovery rate of interest 5% per annum. Calculate the theoretical minimum price of European put option. If the European put option price is ₹10, then how can an arbiter make profit? Calculate the theoretical maximum price of European put option is a question that is being asked. Can I start or not? No. See. Okay. Look at the data and tell me one by one. I go to the share market, suppose X limited share. I go to the share market and see that today the X limited share is trading at how much base? 370. I go to the option market, search for X limited option. There's an option available with a strike price of 400 and with how much maturity date? 6 months and with a price of 10 rupees. Now I have to know whether the option is perfectly priced or not and see whether any arbitrage exists. Can I start or not? Now, first question is what? Minimum value of put option. What the formula for minimum value of put option? Present value of strike price minus spot price. This is ulta. As spot price minus PV of X, it becomes what? PV of X minus spot price. Present value of strike price minus spot price. Yes or no? Now, let us calculate that first and see whether arbitrage exists. Can you do it together or not? No. Right? Question number. Give the heading. Minimum value of a put option. Can I start together or not? Write down facts. Strike price. Tell me what the strike price amount? 400. Strike price 400. Spot. What is spot here? 370. Strike price 400. Spot 370. Interest 5%. Interest 5%. Term of the option 6 months. Always when they give you interest, it should be what? Per annum. They need not say. Okay, interest 5%, term of the option is 6 months. Now, step 1, minimum value of put option. Step 1, minimum value of put option. Minimum value of put option. Minimum value of put option. Underline that. The formula, minimum value of put is equal to, minimum value of put is equal to, I forgot the formula, amnesia. Tell me what the formula. Present value of strike price minus spot price. 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 First you have to calculate present value of strike price or not. Write down PV of X. PV of X. X means what? Strike price. PV of X is equal to 400 into strike price 400. Enna current? 400 into e power. 400 into e power minus TR. Kadaba? 400 into e power minus what is T? 6 by 12. 400 e power minus 6 by 12 into 0.05. 400 into e power minus 6 by 12 into 0.05. Again write, which is equal to 400 into, and along with me, 400 into e power minus 0.025. And as 0.05 into 6 by 12 is what? Minus 0.025. 400 into e power minus 0.025. I think I need not make you calculate it. You should be knowing how to do it on your own. Yes or no? The number is equal to how much? 390.12. Believe me, it is correct. 390.12. 390.12. Because I don't want to waste time in doing the continuous discounting down. 390.12. Simple language, tell me, what is the strike price? 400. 400 after 6 months is how much today? 390.12 today. I did not do anything great, just discounted it. That's all. Yes or no? Discounted strike price. Can I proceed up? Now, minimum value of put is equal to, please write, minimum value of put is equal to, minimum value of the put is equal to 390.12 minus, PV of X minus 390.12 minus 390.12 minus everybody 370. The minimum value of put is present value of strike price minus spot price or not? Present value of strike price is 390.12 minus 370. What is the minimum value of put option? 20.12. The put is minimum worth how much? 20.12. Now, please. Can I proceed? Now, you go to the option market, search for the price of this put. The put is trading at what price? 10 rupees. It is worth 20.12, but available at how much rupees? Yeah, 10 rupees. Answer my question. Is the put overpriced or underpriced? Put is overpriced or underpriced? It is underpriced. It is worth 20.12. It's trading only at what? 10 rupees. It is underpriced. Something is underpriced. You will buy it or sell it? Underpriced means buy it or sell it? Buy it. I am going to buy the put option. I am going to what? Buy the put option. As a buyer of the put option, tomorrow, what I will do? Sell the share. I have a right to sell. I have what? Right to sell now. Since I am buying a put option in the share, in the market, tomorrow I am going to what? Sell the share. If I sell the share tomorrow, what I should do? Buy the share today. Tell me the strategy. Yeah? Buy the share and buy a put. What is the strategy? Yeah? Buy a share and then what? Buy a put. This is a call. What is the strategy? Sell a share and buy the call. Yes, what I am saying. It's going to be what? Buy the share and then what? Buy the put is the strategy. Respond. Are you having the clarity or not? Now. Right now, next, step 2. Tell me what is step 2? Identification of arbitrage. Step 2, identification of arbitrage. Step 2, identification of arbitrage. Identification of arbitrage. Okay, can we start or not? Now, write down. The put option is worth minimum. The put option is worth minimum. Fill in the blanks. The put option is worth minimum how much? 20.12. The put option is worth minimum 20.12. But is trading in the market at. But is trading in the market at. But is trading in the market at how much rupees? 10 rupees. But is trading in the market at 10 rupees. The put is what? Overpriced. The put is what? Underpriced. The put is underpriced. Always alertness, agility is important. The put is what? Underpriced. Therefore, what you should do? Buy the put option. Therefore, buy the put option. Bracket buy means what? Hold. Therefore, buy the put option. In bracket write what? Hold. Therefore, buy the put option. In bracket write hold. Bracket close. Can I proceed? Next paragraph. As a buyer of put option, we will sell the share. As a buyer of put option, we will sell the share tomorrow. As a buyer of put option, we will sell the share tomorrow. As a buyer of put option, we will sell the share tomorrow. Hence, please fill in the blanks. Hence what? Buy the share today. As a buyer of put option, we will sell the share tomorrow. So to sell the share tomorrow, what I will do? Buy the share today. Don't ask me, why can't I buy the share tomorrow and sell it? I can do it, but the profit will not be what? Guaranteed. That's the problem. Yes or no? So we have to buy the share today. Can I proceed or not? Write down. Strategy is, continue. Strategy is what? Buy a put, buy a share. Strategy is buy a put and buy a share. Strategy is buy a put and buy a share. In both markets, I am a purchaser, not a seller. Buy a put and then what? Buy a share. Everybody having the clarity up to this or not? No. Step 2 or step 3? Step 3. Arbitrage profit. Step 3, arbitrage profit. Step 3, arbitrage profit. Can I proceed up? Now, first, point number 1. What is point number 1? Buy a put, buy a share. Or buy a share and put. Buy a share and put. Is equal to. Tell me, I buy the share by paying how much rupees? 370. I buy a put by share paying how much rupees? 10 rupees. Both are inflows, outflows are outflows. So 370 plus 10 is equal to 380. I buy the share by paying 370. I buy the put by paying how much rupees? 10 rupees. What the outflow to be made today? 380. Can I pickpocket 380 and buy all this? No. Where can I go for 380? Borrow. Write down. Borrow. I require money or not? Borrow 380. Borrow rupees 380. At what percentage? 5%. For how many months? 6 months. After 6 months, I'll be getting the money back. I'll repay the borrowing. Okay, borrow 380 at 5% for 6 months. Answer me. After 6 months, when I wake up like Kumbhakarna, what I will do? I have to what? Repay borrowing. 380 only with interest, with interest. Repay borrowing with interest. Repay borrowing with interest. Repay borrowing with interest. 380 into, I go for what compounding? Continuous compounding. 380 into e power, 380 into e power, Sulupa, 380 into e power what? 6 by 12 into 0.05. In a TR, 380 into e power, 6 by 12 into 0.05. And I deposit for 6 months at 5%, 380 into e power, 6 by 12 into 0.05. Which is equal to 380 into e power 0.025. 6 by 12 into 0.05 gives you 0.025. 380 into e power 0.025. I think these numbers are really following or not. I allow you to do what? Continuous compounding. I get the number 389.62. Money in my hand, money I have to repay is 389.62. 389.62. Please stop writing. Finish copying up to this or not? Tell me. After 6 months to the bank, I have to repay how much loan? For this I should have money or not? How I get the money? By selling the share I am having. So by selling what? Share. How can I sell share? I can either sell in open market or by exercising what? My put option, which is beneficial for me. Yes or no? No. Now, what is the strike price? Suppose the share is trading at 250 rupees. How much base here? 250 rupees. Should I be worried or not? No. I have a right to sell at what? 400. Exercise support and sell at 400. Yes or no? Suppose the share is trading at 520 rupees. What I will do? Allow the put to la and sell at what? 520. Anyhow, minimum guaranteed selling price. How much base here? 400. But I have to repay only what? 389.62. The balance is what? The put option profit. Ennappa, right or not? Are you following what I am saying? Now write down. Next. Exercise put and sell the share. Sorry. Don't write like that. I'll just dictate. Point number 3 or 4? 4. Sell the share. I'll dictate differently. Point number 4. Sell the share. Point number 4. Sell the share. Branch it into 2. Sell the share. Branch it into 2. First branch is FSP less than 400. Less than strike price na FSP less than 400. Inna parade or not? Now. Second branch is what? FSP greater than 400. First branch FSP less than 400. Second branch is what? FSP greater than 400. Less than 400 put a down here mark and dry. What I will do? Exercise the put, please. Exercise the put and sell the share at 400. Exercise the put and sell the share at 400. Exercise the put and sell the share at 400. And sell the share at 400. Second branch, what I will do? Allow the put to lapse. Allow the put to lapse and sell in open market. Allow the put to lapse and sell in open market at what? FSP. Allow the put to lapse and sell in open market at FSP. Allow the put to lapse and sell in open market at FSP. Next common paragraph, right? Whatever the FSP, we have a guaranteed selling price of, whatever the FSP, we have the guaranteed selling price of, 400. Whatever be the FSP, we have a guaranteed selling price of 400. Accept or not? Now. Last step. There is step number 4 of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Arbitrage profit. Arbitrage profit. What minus what? 400 minus 389.62. 400 minus 389.62. What arbitrage profit? 10.38. Arbitrage profit 10.38. Arbitrage profit 10.38. Everybody, are you following what I am saying? No. Maximum profit or minimum profit? Minimum profit, right? This is minimum profit. This is minimum profit. it can even be higher. This is minimum profit. It can even be higher when FSP increases. Is minimum profit. It can even be higher when FSP increases. It can even be higher when FSP increases. The future spot price increases. Everybody respond. Are you all following the discussion or not? Now, write down check. One more part is left out. Okay, write down check. 9 o'clock only time. Write down check. Present value of profit is equal to, let us do it. Present value of profit is equal to 10.38 into, tell me this profit is received today after 6 months. After 6 months. So present value of profit is equal to 10.38 into e power minus 0.025. 10.38 into e power minus 0.025, which is equal to 10.38 into, one of you doing the calculate and tell me, it is what is e power minus 0.025? What number? What is the number? 0.9753. 10.8 into 0.9753. You can check out later. It is 0.9753. What is 10.3 into 0.9753? Gives how much rupees? How much it is? 10.12 is equal to 10.12. 10.12. Tell me, what is the theoretical minimum value? 20.12. Available how much rupees? 10 rupees. The difference only we got as one. Arbitrage profit present value 10.12. Everybody respond yes or no? No. Tell me, what's the formula for theoretical minimum price of a put option? Present value of strike price minus what? Spot price. Very simple here. Now look at the strategy. What is the strategy to make a profit here? Buy a share and have a put. Very simple. I buy the share by paying spot price today. Spot price purchase price. I sell the share tomorrow at what? Strike price. Yes or no? I sell tomorrow at strike price. I buy tomorrow today at what? Spot price. You want to make a profit. The profit is what? Strike price minus spot price. Yes or no? But the strike price is today or tomorrow. Discount it today becomes what? Present value of strike price minus spot price is answer. Pack pandra. No, maximum value of put is pending here. Now, don't unpack. Let's write together. Write down. Sum knotted over. Okay, next. Write down. Next. Shh. Give the heading maximum value of put option. Number already calculated. Okay. Shh. Don't pack without asking me. Okay. Maximum value of put option. By doing the packing, you are coercing me to what? Leave the class. Okay. Now. Shh. Write down. Maximum value of put option. Please. Shh. Maximum value of put option. Right. Step 1. Same sum we are doing. Okay. Step 1. Maximum value of put. So the heading given is maximum value of put option. In that right, step 1, maximum value of put. Step 1, maximum value of put. Underline that. Below that, right? What is the maximum value of put? Maximum value of put is equal to maximum VP is equal to, all of you answer, what is that? PV of X, present value of strike price. The maximum value of the put is equal to present value of strike price. We need not calculate, which is equal to 400 into e power minus 0.025. Exactly. 400 into e power minus 0.025. What is the maximum value of the put option? 390.12. The maximum value of put option is 390.12. 390.12. Can I proceed or not? Now, see. Last. Suppose the put is trading at 395. What you remember? I just have an example. Tell you how much base here? 395. Is arbitrage there or not? Yes. Right now. Next. Suppose, continue writing. Suppose the put is trading at 395. Suppose the put is trading at 395. There exists. Suppose the put is trading at 395. There exists. Please fill out the blanks. There exists what? Arbitrage opportunity. There exists arbitrage opportunity. There exists arbitrage opportunity. Let's continue. Tell me, put is trading at 395. Please listen here. Put is trading at what? 395. Put is overpriced or underpriced? Put is overpriced or underpriced? Put is what? Overpriced. Something is overpriced. Buy or sell? What is strategy here? Write the put option. Sell the put means what? Write the put option. Okay. You may ask us, sir, when I write the put option, do not say tomorrow I'm going to buy the share or sell the share. Write the put. I'm going to buy the share or sell the share. I have an obligation to buy. So today what I will do? Short sell the share. Okay. Now, the strategy need not be short sell. Even without short selling, I can make what? Profit. That can be seen here. All the other strategies are married person. This is what? Bachelor. Okay. So here, simply by what? Writing a put, I can make what? Profit. If a short sell, it is bumper profit. Are you following what I am saying? So the strategy is very simple. The strategy is what? Write a put option. You need not even what? Short sell the share. I'll prove it now. Can I present or not? Now. The strategy is what? Write a put option. Written or not? Now. Let's go for the step 2. Step 2, no? Let's quickly do it another 2 minutes. Okay, step 2. What is step 2? Arbitrage profit. Step 2, arbitrage profit. Now, please listen carefully. Let's start one by one. First, today what I did? I wrote a put option. So, write a put. Okay. When I wrote a put today, tell me I received money, paid money, received. How much premium? 395. Rupees 395 is what? Inflow. Rupees 395 inflow. Why is that inflow? Premium received. I write a put, rupees 395 inflow. I need not even short sell. Short sell is a bumper. Yes or no? But I just add what? 395 inflow. Okay, next. Point number 2. What is point number 2? Deposit. I deposit how much rupees? 395. At 1%, 5% for 6 months. 0% will not work, 5% is important. Okay. It is 395 at 5% for 6 months. 5% for 6 months. Everybody, yes or no? No. Point number 3. What I do at the end of 6 months, what? Realize 395, more than that, more than that. 395 into e power minus e power 0.025, not minus, sorry, e power 0.025. Realize 395 into e power 0.025. Somebody tell me the compounding, yeah? Tell me the number. 395 into 1.0253 is number. 02, number correct? Now, what is the number? 405. Have it as 405. I realize how much rupees here? 405. I realize 405. Okay. Can I proceed? Step 4. Now, I am a writer of a put option or not. Who will decide? I will decide, a holder will decide. Will either exercise and sell the share to me or what? Allow the put to lapse. Yes or no? Now, write down point number 4. On maturity date. On maturity date. On maturity date. FSP less than, what is strike price? What strike price? 400. FSP less than 400. Another thing can be what? FSP greater than 400. FSP less than 400. FSP greater than 400. Now, ரொம்ப simple. FSP less than 400. Will other party exercise? He'll exercise and sell the share to me. How much to pay? 400. That means I have to pay 400. Buy a share or not? How much money am I having? 405. I have 405. I pay the holder what? 400 rupees and buy the share from him. Yes or no? And then what I have here? I have 1 share and 5 rupees. And if the share is even 0 worth, company closed here, still I make 5 rupees profit. Yes or no? Otherwise my profit is what? FSB plus 5 rupees. Ennappa, right or not? Write down. Next. Put a down mark here and write. Holder will. Please write here. Holder will. Holder will what? Exercise put option. Holder will exercise put option. Holder will exercise put option. Holder will exercise put option. Hence, we have to pay. Hence, we have to pay what? 400. Hence, we have to pay 400 to the holder and buy the share. Hence, we have to pay 400 to the holder and buy the share. Hence, we have to pay 400 to the holder and buy the share. Again, put a down mark and write. Our profit is, right, our profit is, what our profit here? 5 rupees plus what? FSP of 1 share. Profit is 5 rupees plus FSP of 1 share. Company close. What is my profit? Minimum 5. The FSP of 1 share. Second, what happens here? Holder will lapse. Holder will lapse. A holder will not lapse. A holder will lapse the option. Holder will lapse. Other meaning. Okay. Context. Holder will lapse. Hence our profit is, what our profit here? 405. Entire deposit money, my rupee only, yes or no? Hence the profit is how much rupees here? 405. Hence the profit is 405. I am having 405 in my hand or not? Entire premium is not taken with the interest. Hence the profit is 405. Hence the profit is 405. Everybody yes or no? For this alone, I need not get the help of the share market. Not get the help of the share market. Option marketers can give me what? The easy profit. But this is a very rarity. Nobody will be having a put option trading at price more than the PVFX. Okay. Now, next class we will continue with the put call parity equation and option valuation models.